Hi, I'm Margaret.
And I'm Bob.
And we walk the Cape to Cape with Inspiration Outdoors. The highlight for me was the beauty of the landscape. I think I found such a sense of connection as we were walking, and we were lucky enough to be going during the wildflower season, so it just was incredibly beautiful. And we really appreciated Inspiration Outdoors' level of organisation, both before and during the walk. That made a huge difference. We were just so comfortable and so happy with everything and the way that it all rolled out.
And we had a great group of people to walk with. Very easy to get on with, and it was a good atmosphere at all times on the tour.
The thing that I was most nervous about before we started the tour was that we hadn't done a lot of bushwalking, and certainly not long distance bushwalking, but I really followed the instructions from Inspiration Outdoors in terms of preparation. I did a lot of walking on the beach. We did Bold Park weekend after weekend, and so we did find that we actually were really pretty well prepared, and there were only a few moments when I wondered if I was going to make it. Most of the time I felt really comfortable. My tip to anyone doing something like the Cape to Cape for the first time would be really read the information you get. Make sure you get all of the right equipment. I think that really helped enormously.
And rely on your guides. They were very, very well prepared, well organised, and took any worry away from the walk.